investors are confused about the ideal duration to invest in SIP. Industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will clear your doubts now.
This is eternity. So I'll give you an example. I'll share this, I think, in one of the quotes, while quote from the Psychology of Money, which was saying that if Warren Buffett would have retired at the retirement, his wealth would have been reduced by 99.9%. So I'll just give you an example. Probably we can take some answers from the investors as well. And please pardon me for taking this obnoxious rate of return. This is just to elaborate what power of compounding can do. So I'm just giving you an example how this 60 years we can do an investment. So what I'm saying is, you have 500 rupees. You are investing every month 500 rupees for 60 years. I'm taking an obnoxious rate of return, which is not true, but to illustrate power of compounding. This rate of interest is 20%. So if you are investing 500 rupees, I know it's a small amount, but just to illustrate the example, so 500 rupees in a year is about, say, 6,000 rupees. And in 60 years, you have invested about 3,60,000 rupees. So what I am trying to ask you is, if you have invested 50,000 rupees per month for 60 years at the rate of 20%, and please pardon me for taking this 20%, this is just to illustrate what a power of compounding can do. So the answer is 500 crores. And you see, this is about power of compounding. And in one of the presentations, when I was giving this example, so somebody said, okay, what if I invest 3,60,000 today? What is my future value at 60 years at 20%? So the answer was 2,000 crores. So I only need time. So this is the only factor which you can control. Return, you cannot control. Amount of investment, you can control. Time, you can control. And based on which, and I'll give you an example how a 60-year can be done. Say, for example, we are talking about children-oriented products. And you will not believe that in Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, which is a guaranteed product by Government of India, almost 3 crore girl childs have invested into that product. And in mutual fund, if you sum total all mutual funds on a children-oriented product, it's only we have approximately about 26 lakh folios only. So the opportunity is huge. We just have to give an example. Say, for example, when you are starting for your child, and these children-oriented funds are only available for the child till the age of 18. So you can invest in CGF, children-oriented funds, till the age of 18, and then switch that money, or you can probably start a retirement-oriented product, which is meant for retirement. And retirement-oriented products, investor can invest only when they have completed 18 years of age. So till 18, you invest in children-oriented products, and after 18, you invest into a retirement-oriented product. And this product is available for 60 years, and you can continue the investment in that product for a longer period of time, but you will be able to plan your investment for 60 years. And in one of the presentations, we were discussing about this example, and one child comes up to us and say that I will be the next Warren Buffett. So we asked him how you would be the next Warren Buffett. So he said that Warren Buffett started investing at the age of 11. I have started investing at the age of 7. So typically, I think time is very important. So typically for a SIP investor, I think if you are able to give time, of course, the wealth can be created. But if you are fixing towards a particular kind of a goal, say, for example, if you say that, okay, this is a defined goal where I would require the money for consumption, then probably accordingly you can decide. Say, for example, you have decided that 25 years, my child would be getting married, so I want to do an investment for 25 years. Then your time duration is 25 years. Otherwise, for me, I would probably suggest that you can do the investment till eternity. And why I am stressing little more on retirement is because retirement is one goal for which there is no loans which are available. You have to plan for your retirement on your own. And today, in this world where there are no guaranteed kind of a product, it's better to start whenever you have time, money, and start building up the corpus for the retirement.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances, then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.